Hey guys, welcome to LearnBase Reviews. In this video, I'll be giving you an honest review of tzla.club, checking whether tzla.club is legit or a scam. So, tzla.club brands itself as a private science club, where members get access to a device called the tzla machine, claimed to be inspired by Nikola Tesla's work for health and wellness uses. The site says it's a private membership association, and claims benefits like Become Superhuman, plasma healing device, 5 times the output of its grandfather, Tesla machine, etc. Now let's dig into what the evidence shows. What is working and plausible? The website is live and offers membership, device kits, testimonials of experiments and results. At surface level, it's not just a single-page scam. It attempts to present content, membership structure, claims, and access to a club. Major red flags, trust and safety checks are very negative. For example, a website reputation checker, Griddensoft, gives tzla.club a 39 out of 100 trust score, labels it suspicious website, and notes many risk indicators. New domain, approximately 1.2 years old, hidden ownership, limited traffic, unclear business structure. Multiple independent sources, forums, scam trackers, express strong skepticism. One forum post says, "The whole thing reeks of snake oil," and points to lack of company transparency, over-the-top claims, and high price. The device is claimed to deliver plasma healing, Tesla technology, become superhuman, etc. Extraordinary health claims that lack continuous, publicly verifiable scientific evidence. The website itself notes, "We don't engage in any commercial activity, and thus there are no refunds or payments," which is odd if you're purchasing kits. Also means limited recourse for members. Bottom line, tzla.club appears very high risk. I would not recommend treating it as a guaranteed legitimate health or wellness device. It may not be a classic scam, you might get something, membership might operate, but the combination of hidden ownership, extraordinary claims, poor verification, and low trust ratings makes it extremely precarious. If you still consider involvement, use payment methods with full buyer protection, credit card, PayPal. Keep expectations grounded. It may not work, as claimed. Avoid sharing sensitive personal or medical data until you're sure. Verify any claims independently. Studies, device trials, user reports, recognize that private membership structure may limit transparency and legal protections. If you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of new health and wellness.